Hey guys, today we're gonna take our pumpkins, some of which we grew in our own garden, and we're gonna go pumpkin bowling and roll them under the bush hog and explode them, and it's gonna be so cool. And everyone check out our spooky pumpkin. Are we ready to go?
Yeah! Yeah! Heavy. Yeah, and this one's heavy. I'm gonna take this one.
You think the cows will like to eat our pumpkins?
Yeah. I can eat pumpkins.
Do you want to eat a pumpkin?
Yeah. And I don't want to eat a pumpkin.
You want to eat a pumpkin? No. Let me see you eat it.
This is my beautiful pumpkins. I'm so scared. Why should we eat a pumpkin? This is a
Here it is, everybody. The pumpkin pulverizer, the gourd gusher, the pumpkin punisher. We're gonna stand back there and roll these pumpkins up under these blades that spin at about 1,000,000 miles an hour, and we're gonna see what comes out. Are you ready, Livy?
Yeah.
Yeah! All right, do we want to do this one first? All right, here we go. Here we go, kids. Look at those guts! Oh my goodness! The pumpkin pulverizer works!
Yeah, let me stomp on that.
Mason, look at that big piece. Go get that big piece. He's got guts everywhere. Oh, guts, guts, guts. Careful.
What?
Livy, what do you have, Livy? Oh yeah. Hey. We got one more surprise. What do we have in the back of the sidekick, Mason?
Pumpkins.
A big white pumpkin. And I think we're gonna use the grapple and see what we can squeeze out of him. Does that sound awesome?
Yes.
Give me 5. Okay. Boom! Oh, thank you. Double 5s. Backflip.
That's right, you ready to crush one?
Yeah. Sit down. Crush that pumpkin.
Here he is, the big white pumpkin. He's bigger than you are, Mason. Oh.
Drop it.
Oh, we're gonna crush him with a grapple. Look at all that pumpkin. Look at this pumpkin puree that we made. Mmm, that'll taste yummy. Yeah. Chuck him so far. Yeah.
Daddy, watch.
Yeah?
Daddy, watch.
Mason, karate chop that guy.
Karate chop the pumpkin. Karate chop this guy. See if you can bust him in half. That wasn't a karate chop. Here. You think I can karate chop him in half?
Yeah.
Ha!
Let's go.
Oh! Oh! Pumpkin guts everywhere. Oh, in the hair! Look at mommy.
Daddy, look.
Look at your new hat. That's awesome. Oh, you almost got me. Oh no.
Daddy, just sit close. I'm just Let me choke him.
No, don't choke Spooky.
What is that? That is a flag.
Bye. Thanks for tagging along.
Thank you, tagging along. Smash it!
Boom!